Ayan, good morning mga Rowa Squad. How's your day today? So ayan, dumating na naman ulit ang ating in-order sa Trendyol. Yan, from Aramex. So, tawag pala yung Aramex, early morning ng 9. So, tulog pa ako ng oras na mga yan. So, the delivery guy, he decided to left it in the security. So, ayan. Ito yung in-order kong mga blouses na almost 800 na naman. And then, because of the codes, promotion, and yung meron akong coin balance sa pag-i-invite. So, naging 120 na lang yung binayaran ko. 120 reals. So, mga 1,000 plus in pesos. 1,000 plus. So, ayan. So, isa-isahin na natin, guys. I'm so excited with these blouses. So, I order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So, I think it's 12. I ordered 12. But, separate yung isa. So, by the way, guys, this product is made from Turkey. So, ang ganda ng mga products sa Turkey. And very worth it. So, let's see. So, ang in-order ko is Euro size 38. Ayan, size 38. Ang in-order kong size para sa akin, I think it's medium. Size 38, UK 10. So, we'll see. Oh, sakto lang din talaga siya. Oh my goodness. Ayan. Ayan. We will wear it. We're going to wear it. Excuse me, anak. So, sakto lang talaga ang medium para sa akin. Size 38 in Euro. Ayan. Wow. Ang ganda ng fabric pati. Ang ganda niya. Ayan siya.
Mama, just wear it there.
So, ayan na guys. Ang ganda pati ng fabric. Tsaka stretchable. Ayan. Ang ganda ng tela. So, we'll see the other one. The rest of the 11. So, satisfied. Very, very satisfied. It's Happiness Istanbul. So, made from Turkey. So, it's a Trendyol apps. If, Trendyol apps, guys, kung gusto nyo mag-order. Trendyol apps. Ayan. Ayan. So, next, I got also the white color. Actually, lahat sana ng color kinuha ko, but some of the colors can have the size 38 finish na. So, hindi naman pwedeng small. Ayan, this is the white color. The white color. And then, next, another design. Another design. Ang gaganda talaga ng mga fabric niya, girls. Ayan. Hindi siya manipis. Sobrang ganda ng tela niya. So, this is the other one. This is size medium also. And made from Turkey. Ayan. So, it's look like size small, but this is 38, medium size. So, later on, we will fit on that without my dress. So, this one, another design. I promise talaga, ang ganda talaga ng mga sewing niya. Ang ganda ng tela. Hindi ka magsisisi. Worth it talaga. And ang kapal. Malambot. Sobrang ganda sa katawan. Ayan, this is the another design. So, Gusto ko nga talaga yung lahat ng color. But the thing is, hindi lahat size, available size yung 38. So next, another brand. Ayan. So this is it. May pag-ganun-ganun siya. So see yan. Pag-ganun siya sa color. All size 38, size medium. So kung makikita nyo, Trendyol. Baliktad kasi. Trendyol. Next. Alam ko meron pa akong isa eh. Pa-separate. So another medium color black. Ayan. Kasama nung, I think, red. Pareho sila nung red. Yan. So, next. Oh, kami kong red also. Another design. Ganda pati ng mga ano niya. Oh, this red naman. And the other one. Ayan. So, may red ako, may black, and may pink. Pink, black, and red yung meron ako dito. The same ano, design. So, this one, next. Next. Another design. I think the same. Ayan. So, may mga pa, ano dito. Ayan. So, next, dami ko ng blouse. Tops. Yan kasi yung mahirap, yung hindi naglalaba agad-agad. So, mauubusan talaga ng damit. So, this is the gray color. Ayan. So, most of the blouses are same design. Different color lang siya ang kinuha ko. So, this one is different design. So, ayan. Different design siya. Ayan. May paputi-puti black siya. So, ganda. Ganda din. Ayan. So, yun. One more pa. There's still one more. One more. Kasi 11. Alam ko 12 ito. Pero yung isa, I don't know why separate siya. Still on. Ayan. Dalawa pala yung nakuha ko. White and the blue. Ayan. Yung merong collar. Ayan. So, this is the last 11 pieces of blouse. So, mura lang talaga nakuha ko siya. And I paid only 120 reals. It costly, mga siguro, ano lang, 1,000 plus, mga 1,500, ganyan, 1,005. For 12 yan, 12 pieces. Hindi pa dumating yung isa, pero bayad na yon. So, and if you know the apps of Tabi, you can pay 4 times, parang 4 gives sa Tabi. So, bale 30 reals. Ginawa pa talagang Tabi, hindi na lang binayaran yung 120 reals. But anyway, so yan po yung in-order ko just to show you in the apps of Trendyol. You can search Trendyol. Lagi silang may promotion, 90%, 80%, 70%, 50%, 40%. So it depends. So yun lang po. I just want to show you my unboxing of my orders from Trendyol. So I love Trendyol. I love Temu. I love Shein. So yun. So thank you for watching, guys, and have a good day. God bless. Spread love and kindness, and bye bye. See you. I hope you enjoy my unboxing and my haul of my tops, blouses. God bless everyone. Sign off, Roa Family Squad.